we proudly present the Festival of the Lion King.
Greetings, everyone. Good morning. Welcome. We have been expecting you. We're here today to welcome you, one and all, to the Festival of the Lion King. In this land, we welcome you. We have the band of singers who travel with Simba and his friends throughout the land with this celebration. Time for introductions. My name is Kiyume, and I am the leader of our group. Kiyume is Swahili for masculine and strong. Come on.
Which is Swahili for good looking.
Good looking.
And this is convenient.
Which means impatient.
It means princess.
And finally, we have Zawadi.
Which is Swahili for the gift.
The gift.
I said the gift, and if you want to stay good looking, you best back off that attitude, mister. Besides, you think I'm the gift, don't you, honey? What's your name?
Tony.
Tony. Well, I think that's Swahili for my new best friend.
Everyone, Simba and the gang will be arriving here any minute now, and we want them to feel welcome when they get here. So we are going to need your help.
And since this is the Animal Kingdom, and we're surrounded by animals, and Simba and the gang are animals, so we should greet them like
Animals is our beast in the personality. Each of us will help lead one of the 4 animal sections at sea. I will take the elephants.
I'll take giraffes.
Ooh, I'll take the lion.
And I'll take the warthogs. And Tony, my friend, you're gonna come help me tame this warthog section, yes?
Oh, you waving at me?
It's all right, come up with me. Everyone give Tony a hand as he joins me.
Be my friend, my friend.
All right, gang, listen up. Tony here will demonstrate the sound that he and his fellow warthogs will make. All right, Tony, put your fingers up by your face and near your tusks and snort like a warthog. That's pretty good. Now, honey, you need a tissue or you good? You good? Alrighty, stay with me. Let's turn around and help our friends out. Warthogs, tusks up, on the count of 3. Let's hear what you can do. 1, 2, 3. Woo-hoo! Now that is the most disgusting thing I've ever heard. I love it.
Here we go, lions. Now it's our turn. I've got Kaylee all the way from Florida, and you are gonna give me your best lion imitation. All right, paws ready, and let's hear that roar. Oh, no, Chef. You all get the idea. On the count of 3, paws up, and I want to hear some lions. 1, 2, 3. Hey, now that's a lion.
Time for the elephants. We have Carlos from Mexico. He's going to be our leader today. Carlos. On the air for the elephant's trunk. Yes. And now, let's hear that elephant call. That's an elephant we will never forget. Stay with me. Our turn. Trunks up. On the count of 3, let's trumpet triumphant. 1, 2, 3. Yes, the body team back the nose.
Okay, my turn. I'm next. Everyone, this is Nora, all the way from New York, and she's going to show us what a giraffe sounds like. Okay, ready? Giraffe, go. You don't know what a giraffe sounds like? That's okay. I didn't either. So I looked it up and it said a low bleating sound. Kind of like, a sheep. Okay, ready? Giraffe, go. But we'll take it! All right, Nora, stay right here with me. Let's help our friends out, okay? All right, my giraffes next in the air. And blink.
And there you have giraffes.
Very well then. Now that we know our animal sounds, I think we're all set. What us? We'll make sure you are cued and ready to go.
Hey everyone, I think I hear them coming.
Wonderful. Right on time. Now, on the count of 3, let's use those sounds to call them in. All together now. 1, 2, 3. Everybody, listen. It is time. And now, I present to you His Majesty, the Lion King.
Welcome, everyone. It's me, Simba. You've all picked a very special day to visit. You see, today, we've come to town for a big celebration, and you, my friends, are invited to join in the fun.
Come on everybody, get ready to clap your paws, stomp your hooves, and ruffle your feathers as we welcome you to the Festival of the Lion King. Let the procession begin.
What are you doing? Slow down! Slow down! I
Maestro, if you please. Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing craze. Hey, Popo, what are you doing over there? My legs can't make it down off this floor. Oh, gee, that's too bad. Guess I gotta do a solo. Hakuna Matata. What's going on here? What are you doing? Well, this stinks. Sorry. No, not you, Poopa. They're ruining my big number. But they're so cute. Cute? Look at them. They're picking bugs off each other. Boy, tired. Come on, everybody. You know the words. Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing craze. Ain't no worries for the rest of your days. It's a color-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata. That's our motto. What's a motto? I don't know. What's a motto with you? Come on, you ain't seen nothing yet. Direct from a record-breaking 2 million years at the bottom of the evolutionary ladder. Let's hear it for the Tumble Monkey. Hey, what are you monkeys doing? Why are you packing up? We're about to do our snappy Songs of the South Seas medley. Hello? Get back here. We're not done yet. We got at least another 3 hours of material left. Now just put all this stuff back and we'll get on with the... Hey, Maestro, what's with that music? Something tells me this ain't the floor show. Hey, what the? Hey there, big fella. Hey, nice hat. So, where you from? Let's get out of here.
I was wet as a woodhole's backside. But thick as you are, pay attention. My words are a matter of pride. It's clear from roving its expressions. The lights are not all on stairs. But we're talking kings and successes. Even you can become unaware. Chance of a lifetime. Be prepared for sensational news. A shining era, stick to near. The world of future, just listen to teacher. I know it sounds stupid, but you'll hear it water at last. I give in my dues, and injustice, justice square.
Too far.
greatest living thing. That, my friend, is a time for joyous celebration. For when all things exist in balance, it is then that we are connected in the great circle. The circle of life.
We arrive on the planet, and the gears step into the sun. There's more to see than can ever be seen, more to do than can ever be done. There's far too much to take in here, more to find than can ever be found. But the sun rolling high, the sapphire sky keeps great and small on the endless round. Circle of life, and it goes on through the star and home. Faith and
And now, everybody, it's time to kick off our celebration finale.
Hey, sounds great, Simba.
Let's have a party.
Everyone,
Baby, there's more than the Lions leaving tonight. Why don't you sing along, people?
But my giraffes are right on cue.
and my elephants, they seem to have a problem.
Whoa, I think we're being challenged. I'll tell you what, our lions and warthogs against your giraffes and elephants. Your section will sing the wingle ways. We'll do the hard part.
And that part would be
Kabibi,
That's right, the Lions and Warthogs will sing the high part.
And the giraffes and the elephants will sing in the ring of ways.
who will sing the melody.
Step aside, out of the way, professional artiste coming through. Me, 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 me. Excuse me, my human friends. I guess that leaves me to sing the melody. So, if you're finished with all the talking, can we start already?
All right, Timon. Let's take it from the top.
In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps
So what do you say? Who won?
I think it's pretty clear. The giraffes and the elephants won.
I mean, it's pretty clear, all right. Pretty clear that the Lions and Warthogs won.
You know what I think? I think it's time to finish this song. Don't feel like darling, the lion sleeps tonight.
I said, ooh, ain't no fear about tonight, tonight.
Hello there, this is Timon. We hope you enjoyed the show. It was great having you with us.